Well, good morning, YouTube. As you can see where I'm at, Steve Mufflers. If y'all anywhere in the Black or Urban area, this is the number to call to get you some muffler work done. Y'all know that I'm putting everything on this truck brand new, but I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing right now. And you guys, this wasn't nothing wrong at all. When I like to build something, when I say I'm gonna put stuff on here brand new, I'm putting it on here brand new. And I ordered my own part, came in, and he was already doing another job over there, but he stopped that job to jump on my truck. I think this job here around about 125, I think he was telling me, but I'm in a hurry. I told him, if you can get to me now, I'll give you a 200 piece. So he told me, I'll go ahead and pull it on in. So hey, here I am now, guys. Look like he just now finishing up the job. So that's why I turned the video on and see, can I give y'all exclusive what I'm doing. I don't want to make two-part video, but this guy is pretty good what he do. Y'all can bear with me. Y'all know I don't like making long videos, and I don't like to drag the video. And I don't want to make no part two and get to the house and show y'all what I done. So I want to get up under there when he's done. He's just not doing the other side as well. I say again, I repeat, there was nothing wrong with the old part. And that sun, I tell you, whew. But I'm replacing it anyway. He probably been on this job maybe 40 minutes, maybe. I said a good 40 minutes. Oh yeah. I told y'all guys this was gonna be a lit week. I got other stuff that don't came in as well. And this right here, guys, a lot of us don't think about doing this until something happened. Come on now, I'm giving y'all hints, man. Can you guess what I'm doing? What I'm doing right now? But I said it, I wasn't gonna wait till something happened, then do this. Go ahead and knock it out right now. He's right here. I'm trying to wait till he get done, guys. Before I show y'all. Hopefully I didn't mess up nothing by doing this. Hopefully. I wish I had some black spray paint. I'll finish up my job up under there and spray the rest of my truck toward that way on back. Cause I did by this door on up spray paint and sanding it down and spray paint. As y'all can see that rail on the bottom there. Showing everybody your good work. Oh yeah, he's my Korean buddy. As y'all can see, I do need to paint more up on the bottom of the truck from the back end. I want to sand all that off there, dirt, pressure wash, all that. Pressure wash, all that, and then, you know, spray paint, get some of that rhino line and stuff, and you know, then finish the job up. So that's a visual. Let me take this on down. I want to spoil it right now, so let me come on back some. But I told him I didn't want to rush him, but I did need it rush. You know, you don't rush somebody from a shop, but I told him the reason why, because I got to go pick up my son. Woo, I don't like dragging no video. Come on, man. But not come on. Do a good job. Yeah, I know how it is. You want somebody to do a good job, but we could be so impatient sometimes. That's a struggle trying to be patient. All the time we could be patient in something we doing. Isn't that something? But Steve Muffler, guys. I want to show y'all this. Should I just go on up out of here now and show y'all what I'm doing? But I don't want him to cuss me out. Say, yeah, get him on shop, get him up in here. So somebody got a truck like mine. So what y'all think about them old new Silverado? Look just like mine, but the front end changed, the front headlight changed. That's all they did to them trucks. Change headlights. Let me see, can I get up on here, guys, and show y'all what I done. Oh, he's still welding. But I go up on it now. I'll be particular too. If I'm doing the job and somebody else come in my shop and I ain't got no insurance for them, I got no insurance for myself. Now, can y'all see that? Cause this light is not good. I'm trying to blow it up more if I can, but I'm trying not to do no 2 videos. Or should I just go ahead and tell y'all what I'm having done today? I know some people just say, go ahead and say, man, we understand. I don't know. Oh, guys, y'all know when y'all watch a movie, it give you the end before they give you the beginning. A clip of it to have you in suspense, so you can't figure out, and you want to be interested in the movie. Figuring out that little small scene you gave me, what happened from the middle part, what happened to the beginning to the end. Yeah, that's alright. That's alright, taking a lot. And when I see little stuff like that, that's why it's always good to be in the weight room. Because when I see that side right there, it's taking a lot, taking more than he did on the driver's side. I'm of course like, what don't happen? Why that side there taking more than you did on the driver's side? it took you right at 20 minutes. You do the driver's side, man. You on the passenger side. Man, like you been over there a good 35 minutes already. Man. Really. Well, as long as he have it right, guys. That's all what matters. That's all what's count. Then we can go and crank that thing up, make sure everything's okay. Make sure everything go right. I'm proud of this. Some of y'all probably already guessed it already. How about that? Kind of focus on him a little bit instead of me talking. Gotta admit, still sitting right. Come on, guys, drop me a comment right now if y'all already guessed it. Okay, like he finished. He could have still go at it. Why is that side taking longer than the driver's side? What is he still doing over there? Alright, giving y'all a little clue. Giving y'all a little clue. Man, there you go again.